We are going to be looking at Hoover Park Playground located in Lynn County, Iowa in the city of Cedar Rapids. This playground is located at the corner of Taft Drive Southwest and Roosevelt Road Southwest. These are some of the pieces of equipment found at Hoover Park, and here is the video of the playground recorded in the summer of 2023. In terms of safety, this playground has stable and clean equipment and is in a safe location. In terms of accessibility for children with special needs, this playground has colorful equipment and sounding equipment. For our subjective ranking of this playground, please see the description below. Thank you to the following researchers behind this project.